Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and today we're going to be unboxing a Covercraft seat cover for our Ford Transit Connect, so let's get into it. All right, these are the Endura Precision Fit seat covers from Covercraft. We got them in black and charcoal. This is the FT variation, which means you have lumbar support and the folding flat seat on the passenger side of the van. And these are precision sewn and cut fabric so that they are a precise snug fit on the seat. So make sure you're answering all those questions correctly when you're buying these, because you may end up getting the wrong seat covers if you don't answer those right. So this comes in a nice little zippered plastic bag here. Right on top I can see our installation instructions from the manufacturer, how to remove the headrest and how to secure everything. Looks like we have some type of tool here. So I'm pulling these out. All right, we got one seat back here. I can see we've got two holes up here for the headrest. We've got a little tag here for the airbag, so you know where that should go. That's the nice thing about these seat covers, is they do work with airbags. These have a pocket in the back. So behind the seat, you're gonna have a little pocket there. We've got Velcro and our little straps here for securing it. There is some foam on the inside of this material here that's going to add a little bit of padding to your seat, so that's nice. So again, we got the charcoal with the black. It's got the black interior with the black's kind of the secondary color and the gray is the primary color. Kind of like our van. So here we got the back of one side. This is probably the driver's side. We've got a little hole here for our lumbar support mechanism. And we have the seat bottom for the driver's side here. Again, little straps, padding on the, a little bit of foam padding here on the bottom. You know, it's not gonna be, these aren't seat cushions, but it does add a little bit of cushioning there. Then we've got our headrest cover. Looks like it just has, you know, this can slide right over the headrest, or this actually might be for the center console. There's a little armrest on the center console. This might be for that. We'll find out. Seat bottom cushion for the passenger side. Okay, I was right. This is for the center console. There's a little flip console in the middle. This can go over that if you want to use that. And then we have our headrest covers here. Looks like these attach just with Velcro. And again, there is a little bit of foam on the backing, part where your head will be. Got another headrest cover here, two headrest covers, and then we're gonna have the back top part of our passenger side seat cover. Again, there's a flap on the back here. And then I believe on the passenger side seat, there's a little lever that you can pull and then fold the seat flat. There's a cutout for that. Again, we got our airbag tag here. This question we get a lot on seat covers is it compatible with airbags? The answer is yes. These are designed to work with the factory airbags, so if they are deployed, the fabric rips, tears in the right spot, so that you can be protected still while you're driving. This is gonna be a pretty simple install. We'll have a video showing that later. But again, this is the Covercraft. It's the Endura Precision Fit seat cover. Again, this is sewn precisely to fit your particular vehicle. This is offered in a number of different color variations and styles. So if you're looking for these seat covers or any other seat covers or equipment to make your van work ready, check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.